Hey Internet, welcome to Heat Transfer Tutorial. This is a made-up question not found in your textbooks. How do heat, internal energy, and thermal energy connect to each other? Heat is generally referred to thermal energy. It contains both sensible and latent components of internal energy. Okay, so that's the definition. So before we leave, I highly recommend that you save this video onto your PC just in case this video or channel gets taken down while I follow all copyright laws. Sometimes things just happen. If you're on a Mac, use the Mac equivalent of snipping tool. For everyone else, follow the instructions if you don't know how to use snipping tool. So click on the icon in your taskbar. If it's not there, go to your Windows search, type in snipping tool, open up the program. Click on video option, then click on new, and then left click and drag the rectangle to cover the YouTube screen. This is just an example. Next, hit the start button in snipping tool, wait for the countdown, then hit the replay button on YouTube, let the video finish. Hit the red square in snipping tool to stop recording and then save your video. Thanks for watching. Hope you had a great day. Be sure to like and subscribe. Share with your friends because this is a made up question, so they probably won't be able to find it. If you got questions or comments, leave it in the comment section. I will get back to you as soon as possible. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.